So if you create this diagonals in your body, which comes from the rib cage into the opposite hip, doing this exercise, if you stretch these diagonals, this diagonal can represent traveling spine. So it's a rib cage and the upper chest. So this motion, so not only we stretch, that's create a three-dimensional look, but also you stretch, it can guide your leg. Now from here, you see, you have to know how to get out from here. You see, this side is very strong, this is a little bit behind. So you press this rib in as hip moving forward, but remember the spine should continue forward. But how do we feel the spine? We cannot feel it anymore here, so we're going to change to the other side. So your spine would be represented by these rib cages and sides and chest forward. So now why we need this information? For example, we can take any step and try to engage upper body in it. For example, we have a sliding door in Rumba. We have backward walk 2. We have replace forward 3. We have hip twist 4-1. We have side 2, 3, 4-1. Or we have for the men version, the same. For the guys, it's exactly, I mean, the step is different, but the concept is the same. 4-1 and 2 and 3,